Hello, Trade Ideas friends. Quick update here. Our Trade Ideas AI is a real-time idea generator, and you can see we've got 4 ideas today, 2 of them short and 2 of them long. I want to highlight this one that came out in real time. The symbol is MFA. We just click on MFA and we're already there. I want to show you that in real time, the system was watching the open and the plunge back down, and the AI gave us an entry right here. This is a $9.56 entry in real time. Trade Ideas premium subscription users get access to this AI feature. There's no configuration involved. You just kind of take the signals as they come to you live. Honestly, the best way to do management of these trades is to manage the trades yourself. A lot of times the AI can get out pretty quickly. Just a quick idea here. When I see a trade like this that filled part of the gap and then came back up and buyers joined the party, I use this 10 period simple moving average on the 15-minute chart, and it just guides the hand higher. So currently all systems are go here in an MFA for another move to possible new highs on the day. Great volume, as we can see, 5 times normal volume. The AI just found this one on its own. Never would have seen it unless you have Trade Ideas enabled. So good luck to you, and don't forget to manage risk. Bye-bye.